price at. Those are some of the few levels where we are expecting gold to go up to. We have the first one at 1897.66. We have the next one 1954.84, and then you have the next one at 2033.30. So that is our opinion on on gold. The next chart is Brent oil. So Brent oil, so far you've seen that the price has actually bounced off of a very good resistance level. We do have a resistance at this point. This is some good resistance level here, a very good resistance here. So this a break above, a break below, so we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. So this is a good place to look for a sell from. Where the price is now, this place here is a good place where we want to look for a sell from. We do expect that sell to push us at least up to this point. So if you're on this chart now, assuming you took a sell from what you said yesterday, you're supposed to hold on to this position, the sell position, expecting price to go up to 57.824. So keep holding on to the seller's perspective on this chart as long as the price is below this zone 70.687, 69.517. So while we continue to see price being held within this range or below this range, this is a good place where we want to look for a sell from. So the idea will be to watch for price at this point here, wait for price to pull back nicely, at least up to this point, so that you pick a sell position. With that position, our take profit is fixed at 57.824. So my next symbol, the next symbol is Euro USD. So USD so far doesn't look like nothing much is happening, except for the fact that we are approaching a resistance level, this one here. So this is a good place where, as long as the price does not clearly ascend and close above, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So ideally, we want to see price get to this point, give us some sell signal, maybe on the daily chart. That should be next week, early next week. And we want to see some sell signal within this range on the daily chart, or on the 4-hour chart, or on the 1-hour chart. So if that sell happens, then that will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So the other symbol is USDJPY. So we have this chart here. It doesn't look like nothing much is happening, but if you look at it keenly, you can see that this is actually some good resistance trend line. You can see it from this point. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, and we had a resistance. So if the price does not clearly close beyond the upper trend line, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. So we want to see price attempt breaking above, but then it should come back and close below so that you can get a good place to look for a sell position. We are expecting that sell to push price at least up to the trend line which we have at the very bottom. So horizontally, this is also another level we are looking at. We're also looking at this level here, and then we're also looking at this level here. Then we're also looking at this level. These are the levels where we're looking at price at. If the price approaches any of these levels, then we will be interested in a trade. So the other chart, the last one for the day, is SP500. So this is bullish. We are upwards on this chart. As I said previously, we won't be looking for sell position on this chart. We want price to break beyond key levels, like we have this resistance level, and then you have this resistance level here. These are some of the places where if the price breaks above, then we are going to expect price to continue even higher. So a break beyond 4177.6 will mean we are continuing up to 42.34.0, where if the price will break beyond, then that will be the ideal place to consider looking for a buy position from. So as it is now, we are not into any sell position. We are looking for strictly buy orders. We want price to break above levels, pull back to key levels so that we can pick buy position. We are expecting those buy to push price to the upper side. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same. So thank you. We'll meet on Monday at the same time. Thank you. See you.